Hello everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how I use AicutPro to create short videos for TikTok using AI. This tool helps you generate stories, images, and full video content in just a few minutes. Stay with me until the end to see the final result and how you can do the same process for your own content. Here you see the main page on AicutPro. This is the dashboard where you can start creating your AI videos. From here you can choose templates, add prompts, generate images, and manage your projects. The interface is simple and beginner-friendly, so even if you are new, you can start creating content very fast. And on the next slide, you can see the price of the plan subscription. AicutPro offers different plans depending on how much content you want to create. If you are a beginner, you can start with a basic plan, and later upgrade when you need more features or more video generations. Now, let's go to work on the video. In this example, I use Claude AI to help me create the story for my content. I asked the AI to generate a mini-story scenario about a fruit family using my 8 photos. The AI quickly created 8 different scenes that I can use inside AicutPro. Here you can see the scenes generated by the AI. Each scene represents a different moment in the story. This makes the video more interesting and engaging for viewers. Instead of creating everything manually, the AI helps you organize the content automatically. And now, I complete all the boxes with prompts and images. This step is very important because the quality of your prompts will affect the final result. Try to be clear and specific with your instructions so the AI can understand exactly what you want to create. After filling all the boxes, the AI starts generating the video. This process usually takes only a few minutes. During this time, the system creates the images, adds transitions, and prepares the final video automatically. Here you see the result. What a AicutPro he make.
I'm home.
You're back.
I missed you.
It's positive!
Oh, wow! We're having a baby!
Tiny new strawberry.
I'm so happy. Congratulations. It's a banana.
A banana? I'm so ashamed.
He's healthy.
What is this?
Please,
Tell me the truth.
I'm sorry.
How could this happen?
I'm so sorry.
This is a heavy burden.
How could this happen?
Let's stay calm. Can I forgive this?
Please, our love.
In the end, the strawberry father chose love.
For the final step, you can see the result that the AI created. The video is ready to post on TikTok or other social media platforms. This saves a lot of editing time and allows you to publish content faster and more consistently. Here, you see the new TikTok account that I created for this video. I uploaded the content generated with this AI and started testing how it performs. Creating a separate account is a good strategy when you want to experiment with new content ideas. Make step by step what you see in this video to have success with this method. Focus on creating simple stories, use clear prompts, and post consistently. The more videos you create, the better results you will get over time. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to create videos faster using AI tools like AicutPro, follow the same steps I showed you today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials about AI content creation and social media growth.